Alrighty, this is part 0 of this sequence on video editing, and the program I'm using in this case is Vinci and Resolve. It is a free download available from the Blackmagic website. You just click on the download tab here and you're aiming for DaVinci Resolve 17. It's available for Mac, Windows and Linux. So, going for the Windows version, you will be asked to put in your details. Hopefully this will pop up in just a second and know, oh yes it has, great. And you can put in your details, or you can just use your school email, or you can just put in any spurious details you like. Because, well, if you don't trust them having your information, don't give it to them. So, yeah, and once all that's done, you can register and download, and you'll be able to then go to the download screen. So if I go adobe.com, just to do this really lazy-like. And blur, and then go register and download. Thanks, and then you click the download button to get it, and it will start downloading there. I don't need to download it because I have already done so and installed it. I will assume that you can do that on your own. Oops, I'm doing it twice. Cancel. Let's see if that stops. Great. For the other half of this, I'm going to go through and use the resources available from the Australian Centre for the Moving Image. It has a great article on editing, and what I'm aiming to do is just grab the content from here, and I'll go through the editing process that I use. Is it best practice and all that sort of stuff? Probably not, but it at least gives you an idea of where to start. So we'll go through the process of a rough cut just in the next episode, and really what I'm looking at is these two things that you'll need. You'll need the script and the package number 1 for the deal. And that pretty much covers all I need to do at this point. You should be able to then go through and install DaVinci Resolve. Once it is done so, you just double click on it to open it up. And then I'll go through the setting up of a new project in just a moment. And this one is done. Moving on to the next one.